In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit apps. Then tap on manage apps to access app lock option and hit turn on. Now hit change password to pick one of those for your apps. Then create it, repeat it to confirm it, and choose OK. Now you can log into your Xiaomi account or hit not now and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To lock all of those apps, hit use app lock right away. If you don't want to do that, tap on each one and then hit use app lock. Now choose whatever you want to in fingerprint unlock pop-up. Tap on gray switchers next to your apps you wish to lock. And go back. So now when I try to access one of them, I guess that app lock is required. If you want to, you can go back to app lock section, enter your app lock and use the same no blue switchers to disable it from your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!